So hi everyone, I'm Ramya. I'm a IT graduate. I worked in customer service, but I haven't gone into the IT workforce as of yet. And the objective of this training program is mostly identifying my challenges related to communication. So I wanted to identify what are the beliefs that's blocking me from effectively communicating. And the experience was really good. And I learned a lot of things that I haven't come across before. And sir was really understanding. He answered each and every questions and really friendly. And what were you learning? So one of the main things I learned is the mind and body connection. Usually, like, I always had a perception that the mind is responsible for everything. So through this program, it gave me like a different uh, uh, sorry, I don't get the word, like a different perspective. And one session was also the same. Sir took like a lot of time to understand what it really is challenging me and how to overcome it. And yes, I would definitely recommend this program. I think everyone should do NLP as a part of their professional training or personal training, and I think it will help them a lot. Thank you.
Yes, sir. I'm Chakamal Arora, and at the moment I'm uh, coach. Coaching is I'm doing as healing, as well as I'm coaching people on energy work. I'm also doing customer service role at the moment, so I'm trying to move from customer service role as well as to the energy mode. So from this program, I was just basic. I have done it for the first time, so I was just trying to understand what NLP is. So it has given me a lot of information, and it's information overloaded, that you can say. But still, it was explained in such a good way that it went in, and I'm just trying to sink it in now, and I'm trying to apply whatever I have learned in from last week, and I'm trying to understand how it's going to work for me and the clients that I'm going to work with. And it was a really a nice program that I have gone through, and I would really applaud you, sir. It was very nice, very nicely dealt. Thank you for everything.
Yes. Hi everyone, my name is Ramesh Appanu. The objective of me getting into this training was I was always inclined towards training as well. So I thought of taking that, and I thought NLP is very interesting. This is only thing which will help our participants and us as well. So both the trainer and trainees are getting benefited. So that was more interesting, and that's the objective and positive experience altogether. Um, we are oozing out with energy, positive energy. That's what I would say. And trainer. So I would love to link this trainer and one-to-one session. So Ram sir is phenomenal. As Karthik said, I also have this experience. Whenever I hear his voice, there is some kind of I won't say some reassurance, saying that okay, we can do this. Something. It is very. His voice itself is very confident, and this one-on-one session was great with Ram sir. To tell you the truth, I was preparing for the one-on-one session. Like kid getting into Viva exam. So I told him I was reading everything. I thought one-on-one session will be like Ramesh, define imperative stage, define this, define that. So I was literally preparing like this for an exam, but it was one of the most useful sessions. So I would say one of the most quality times I've spent in my entire life. Thank you for that, sir. And there's a lot of learning, lot of learning. If we need to pen down, I think one note won't be enough. So that's why I think Ramsar has given all the recordings and this PDFs as well. And a recommendation for sure, I'm going to recommend this for everyone. So that is what which we are trying to give back to the society, I guess. We are going to create positive human beings who understand themselves. Instead of reading others, they need to read them first. And to the bottom line, and I follow a spiritual guru as well, and Ram sir faces almost like him. That is one positive thing I would say. So it's a good feel. And one appreciation is like he never stops us when you ask for a doubt, right? If you have so many doubts, he just answers everything. He has never stopped anyone. When I see Vinod, I remember he's like the first bench student in the school who has doubt always, and that's helping us also in understanding things in different dimensions. But Ram sir has never stopped anyone uh, asking doubts. Hats off to you, sir. I'm really blessed to have known you.
To all, and good evening to two of you from Australia. Yes, I am Harikaran, working as an agile coach in Standard Chartered Bank IT environment, and I enrolled for this program as to know what kind of capabilities I need to enhance my skills to become an entrepreneur in training criteria. The training started to provide some learning and also to helping me to unlearn few things to become a complete to make my vision and mission as a complete one, because the moment until the moment I had a one-on-one with Ram sir, the I had only my vision, but post that I am having my vision, mission also, and I am practicing my vision and each and every day. Hopefully, I will be doing it sooner than my predicted target date. And recommendation to this program definitely is because each and every department, each and every industry has some pits and falls on their life together. But this program helping them to come out of their negativity and moving towards their positivity and providing more and more opportunities. So definitely, I will be recommending this course. That's for sure. Thank you.
My name is Vinod, based out of Chennai, and I am a real estate professional. The objective of joining this course was that I am actually in the process of moving from employment to entrepreneurship. So the employment version of me will not be suitable for the entrepreneurship version of the next one that I'm aspiring to. So I was keen in terms of getting into a course or a framework that would help in understanding of how comfortable or uncomfortable changes and what needs to be done in terms of making the move towards that particular change. So this course, when Mr. Ram gave me the outlook into it, it kind of gave a very detailed aspect of how you transform from understanding of self-awareness all the way in terms of qualifying and quantifying your outcomes that you want, how do you deal with that, and then most importantly, managing the mind and things like that. So, and I was pretty much looking at change. So the course kind of rang bell around it, and then that's the reason I enrolled into it. And yes, it has given me in terms of little more clarity and then a lot of homework to do in terms of because there's a lot of material which has come in, but the homework has to be done now. So it is like that's the work that has to start. And coming back to speak about the trainer, Mr. Ram is someone whom I've known for the last 7 to 8 months. Got in touch through him through a mutual reference. To sum it up, it is like he plays the role of this unconscious mind. It is like kind of protecting you, and at the same time, asking you questions to understand the areas that you have overlooked. Be it in terms of the coaching or the one-on-one that I did. So he was able to point out and then prick further more into the area that I had overlooked, and then I thought that can be addressed. So it is like that emphasis of him in terms of finding out the point which was the weak link in the entire system and telling to focus. Yes, of course, it is like the most important part that people forget to invest is themselves. It is like I was not investing on myself all these years. Only when I wanted to change, I became selfish, and then I decided to invest. Whenever I would come across a certain set of people who's aspiring or interested in change, I would certainly recommend Mr. Ram to that particular person. So thank you everyone. Thanks for listening, and thank you, Mr. Ram.